Here live at AIE, we have the Information Evening. You can check out all about the art, the design, the programming, and the filmmaking, and the visual effects. Hope to see you there.
Most excited to see some new students, hopefully some more design students. I was a design teacher. The youngest people tend to be the most creative ones, so I do enjoy seeing the odd ideas that come out.
Meeting all the parents and encouraging their kids to come to AIE so they can achieve their dreams.
Yeah, tonight was great. It was more of an intimate affair where students were able to get more of an insight into what they're going to be learning, creating and collaborating with in both games and film. So it was a really great opportunity to meet some of the students that I've been speaking with over the phone face to face. And I think we're about to wrap up. So yeah, some really good conversations, and definitely going to speak with them afterwards to see how they went with it.
Hey guys, here at AIE Live Campus, we are doing an info evening with all the students. We're learning about VFX, animation, 3D animation, we're learning about filmmaking. We had so much cool stuff, so much exposure to the industry. What was really interesting was the programming, like a lot of interest for programming, a lot of interest for 3D art animation, a lot of interest for game programming. That's been one of the biggest ones. I think it's just been a fantastic turnout and a lot of great questions, one-to-one questions answered for tonight. So we're getting a lot of great information. It's really exciting. So hopefully we're seeing some of the future of the gaming industry, or the film, or the VFX, or the animation industry here tonight.
Fantastic. So I'm Callum Lee. I'm a Year 2 design teacher here at AIE. Just spoke to a lot of the new students here at our Open Information Night. Seem like a really bright bunch. Hoping all of them come and apply. And if you're watching this, you should come give me a chat too. Say hello. We've got a lot to talk about.
Thank you so much for coming for tonight's Information Evening. I hope you had a great time learning a bit about all our courses, from art to design to programming, even maybe taking your hand at the virtual production studio. If you're interested in starting a career in game development, filmmaking, visual effects, or animation, click the link below.